Oh,
Here you go. I hope it helps you. I'm fine with it, if it helps you out somehow. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. I'm fine with it, if it helps you out somehow. Fresh start, I guess. Thanks for the careful work. Well, I didn't love it that much anyway. Thanks for the cleanup. Fresh start, I guess. Thanks for the careful work. A razor, huh? Steady hands, please. Stop that! This could be the start of a bold new image for me. Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Why would you do that? Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style. This could be the start of a bold new image for me. Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style. Fresh new look. What is that? Oh, it is cold. That would help me cool off. Looking. That was surprisingly painful. I guess I needed some rest. That was so uncalled for. Nice find. I hope it's useful to you. Poop is always funny. I guess I am lucky. Oh yeah, I guess great call. I'm going to make the most of this. My night will be complete if I get what's behind these ropes. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. That was not necessary.
Oh,
Here you go. I hope it helps you. Oh, what does it say? Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Feel free. It's not a big deal. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. You're a natural businessman. Hope you got good price for it. businessman. Good price for it. You're a natural businessman. Cash money. You're a natural businessman. Cash money. Penny saved, penny earned. Cash money. Cash money. Finding the perfect pair? I'm sure you'll pick something classy. No worries. I didn't really need that right now. What is that? Oh, it is cold. That would help me cool off. That was surprisingly nice. That would help me cool off. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. Feels good. You have a knack for this. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. Pants shopping, always a challenge. Take your time. Good taste. Hope you got good price for it. You're a natural businessman. Comfortable fit or stylish cut. Hope you find both. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. I totally understand. This must be a tough job.
Oh,
I've heard your events are legendary, and I'd love to be part of it tonight. I'm happy to share it's all yours. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. I am not sure how that can be helpful. Cool, that might come in handy. Oh, that picture turned out nice. Let me see the result. Oh, what does it say? Let me see the result. What do you have there? I am soaked, but it is also kind of refreshing.
Oh,
Here you go. I hope it helps you. A good pair of pants can make your whole day better. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway.
Oh,